Here are the top 5 luxury fire features for your backyard in 2023. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through all 5 fire features. I'm gonna talk about style, I'm gonna talk about their function, and I'm also gonna share with you the materials used for each one. And at the end of the video, I'm also gonna give you the budget. So number 1, this one is probably the most trending style that we've seen in 2023, and it falls in the organic category. As you can see, this fire feature is literally level with the ground. Surrounded by these beautiful bean bags, it really invites you into something that's extremely natural, almost like starting a fire on the beach. You really don't have a lot to work with except the fire and the kindling itself, and that's what this really speaks to. You can even see the edges of the tile are all chisel chipped to really create that very natural feeling. The materials used for this one were actually lava rock and white marble. When you use this material, make sure you have a lot of space between the fire and the tile, because marble is a very porous material. It really can crack pretty easily. For number 2, this fire feature definitely falls in the modern category. You can see how it has just these edges that are lit up with this almost light that feels like it was dripped around the fire feature itself. This is using slabs of granite material to create all the angles that really reflect incredibly well on this fire feature. This is a great fire feature for you if you have a small space but really want to draw attention to the feature itself. This next fire feature is definitely the biggest in this video. This is 30 feet long. Now this one also falls in the more organic, or I might even say transitional category, but it's a great backdrop to a pool. If you have a large space and you're trying to highlight a specific element or really make the fire the feature, this is one of the ways to do that. This is also utilizing lava rock, but we use the El Dorado stone material, which is a manufactured stone, whitewash, to really create that very aged but timeless look. This next fire feature is definitely a favorite because it really invites you into a space. This is in the transitional style, and the function of it is really about drawing people in, having people sit around and gather, and really benefiting from the heat of the fire. The material used on this was actually a concrete fire bowl sprinkled with a fire glass that really allows this transitional, almost modern elements to come to life. So for number 5, this is definitely on the more traditional side. You can see that there's really not some, say, uniqueness within the shape, but some of the features really elevate this into the luxury category. By having the lip of the fire feature about an inch or so off the ground, it allows it to look like it's levitating, with the LED light bar really highlighting that space. Also, it being wrapped in a full slab, this allows it to really feel timeless, but still keep that traditional element to it. The materials used for this was a porcelain slab, Decton specifically, and this really allowed this feature to wear extremely well outside. So here's the budget for these 5 features. Now this does not include bringing the utilities to the space. For the individual element and the materials and labor for what you might be able to expect from a professional company. The first one is definitely on the lower end, $2,000 to $4,000. It's really simple. It's a fire ring and lava rock with the surrounding environment. For number 2, the more modern look, it's in the $10,000 to $12,000 range. This is a lot of additional labor that you typically wouldn't put into a fire feature. For number 3, you could expect to spend anywhere from $15,000 to maybe even $25,000, depending on what it takes to bring that length and life to bring it to life. For number 4, this is one of the simplest. You can buy a pre-made bowl anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, and with some extra work, I'm gonna put this in the $2,000 to $3,000 category price range. For number 5, this one I would put in the $8,000 to $12,000 price range, just because of the extra work it takes to put the LED strips and the nice, beautiful slabs around it. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, would you like it? And if you want to see more of the top 5 featured videos for exterior spaces, leave a comment for us. I would love to hear what top 5 you would like for us to hit next. And make sure to subscribe, because we have a lot more videos like this coming.